Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today just going to do a quick video. I want to introduce you to my mile marker SEC15 or SEC1500 winch with synthetic rope. These things are abused around the world. They also produce some military grade equipment as well, but let's dive in and we'll take a closer look at this winch. I'm excited to get it installed at some point. I need to get a bumper to do that, but I wanted to go ahead and get a mile marker winch. Me and my wife like to do a little bit of solo exploring, and we've already got into some situations that were kind of sketchy, and we decided to back up, turn around, and go a different route because we didn't have a winch. So the importance of having a winch is definitely you need to be able to recover your vehicle if you get stuck. A lot of times you might be by yourself, or you could be the only vehicle in your group with a winch. So it's important to be able to recover your vehicle. You definitely don't want to be able to get trapped out in the woods or out in the middle of nowhere. Sun's going down, it's dark. So I live here on the East Coast, so all of our off-road trails and places that we ride, there's always anchor points available if you're by yourself. There's always a tree, stumps, big boulder, rock. There's always something along the trail that you can anchor to and actually recover your vehicle. So let's take a closer look and see what comes in the box with the mile marker SEC1500, and show you what I got here. I'm just going to lay everything out on this table so we can take a closer look. We got boxes inside of a box. I think this is the 15-foot. This 15-foot toe strap or your anchor strap. We'll open this up in a minute. Information. Okay guys, after I struggled to get the winch out of the box, it's heavy. If you ever installed a winch, you're going to know that they're heavy. So here's our 15,000 pound SEC1500 by mile marker, or SEC15. What comes in the kit, of course, you're going to get a box with your aluminum fair lead, your recovery hook, and fair leaded mounting attachment bolts for that. Also, you're going to get your, I guess we'll call it the motor control. Okay, a couple different ways to mount this guy. He can be mounted across these cross support pieces here, or he can be mounted off to the side. Of course, just power cables, and this unit comes with a remote. Well, yeah, comes with a remote that will tap into the motor control, and you can operate the winch outside the vehicle and away from it for safety. And of course, we already mentioned the big strap, a little bit of a toe strap here, and you know, use this to wrap around the trees to protect them when you're doing vehicle recovery. But that's it. That's what comes in your SEC15 mile marker winch, and I'll have more information about this later on after I get a bumper and we start going through the install process. Okay guys, so there is a quick unboxing video just to show you what comes in the mile marker SEC15. It is a 15,000 pound winch, and like I said, there'll be more information coming later once I get to install the winch, but definitely I'm open to hear some of your experiences with winches, and I know there's different types of recovery techniques, and I'm excited to learn some of those. If there's some additional information that you can help me with, please put it in the comments, and subscribe and follow along so you can watch my progress as I get the mile marker winch installed and start demonstrating some of the recovery techniques. So guys, thanks for watching. See ya.